Prime Minister Modi will visit the United Arab Emirates tomorrow, with energy security expected to be a major focus, including MOUs on LPG and strategic petroleum reserves. India and the United Arab Emirates are also discussing alternative energy routes bypassing the Strait of Hormuz. The Pakistani Navy has commissioned its first Chinese-built AIP-equipped Hangor-Class submarine in China. The Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force visited Australia for high-level engagements with Royal Australian Air Force leadership, and the visit also featured interactions around Australia's Boeing MQ-28 Coast Bat Stealth Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle program. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will visit Vietnam and South Korea from 18th to 21st of May 2026, with a possible $700 million BrahMos missile deal with Vietnam, and advanced defense technology cooperation with Korea expected to dominate talks. The Indian Air Force's 11 base repair depot has successfully overhauled the ejection seat of the Indian Navy's MiG-29K fighter, a process that was earlier carried out in Russia. Bharat Electronics Limited is establishing an 84 lakh rupees specialized clean room facility in Agra to enhance maintenance and faster repair of sensitive electronic warfare and electro-optic systems supporting Indian Air Force units in the northern sector. Rolls-Royce and Hindustan Aeronautics joint venture International Aerospace Manufacturing Private Limited has unveiled a major 12-acre expansion of its manufacturing hub in Tamil Nadu that will boost production of advanced compressor and turbine components for domestic and global jet engine markets. Hyderabad-based GMR Aero Technic has signed an agreement with Boeing Defence India to carry out Phase 56 heavy maintenance checks for the Indian Navy's P-8I maritime patrol aircraft fleet at its MRO facility in Hyderabad. Larsen & Toubro has partnered with French firm Exail to deliver an advanced unmanned mine countermeasure suite for the Indian Navy's mine countermeasure vessel program, featuring autonomous and remotely operated systems for standoff mine detection and neutralization. Armenia is exploring local production lines for the 75 km range-guided Pinaka rocket system and 155 mm artillery ammunition, marking a shift from direct procurement to long-term industrial collaboration. Discussions are underway for Indian defense companies to establish manufacturing infrastructure inside Armenia to ensure wartime supply continuity, reduce dependence on external deliveries, and improve replenishment during prolonged conflicts. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has proposed the ALFA-S swarm drone pod under its combat air teaming system, designed to launch up to 24 low-cost autonomous loitering munitions for coordinated suppression of enemy air defenses, while keeping manned fighters outside high-risk zones. The standoff system releases up to 24 ALFA-S drones outside enemy air defense envelopes, with each carrying a 8 kg warhead, optimized for strikes on radar nodes, command vehicles and surface-to-air missile batteries. The Defense Secretary has stated that India's mission Sudarshan Chakra layered ballistic and air missile defense system is expected to mature between 2030 and 2040. The architecture will combine exo-atmospheric and indo-atmospheric interceptors, advanced early warning radars, integrated command and control networks, space-based tracking systems, and layered air defense assets including S-400, Akash variants, XR-SAM and future-directed energy weapons. The program will also build upon technologies developed under India's Ballistic Missile Defense Initiative, and is envisioned as a fully networked national air and missile defense grid. Today's top 3 comments.